Second rewire is this 3-prong Kenmore plug, and take these 2 screws out, and hold this right, and we see each of these has its own set of tabs. So I can take one cord out with its set of tabs, set the other cord back in this plug, and then once I get this cord, this one redone, I can pop the other cord and the other tabs out. So last time I did this, I had a lot of trouble getting it back together because the new insulation is so fat. So I'm gonna try to get and do this with the shortest amount of wire I can kind of get away with here, and that way I hopefully will be able to get now. If I do that, I'm going to want to insulate that. Alright. Wait, that is not. Okay, I think that worked. So we will we go. Here's the other end of the current replacement cord. This is the end that we just cut off, and the other end of it is cut, so this is the pedal end. And I think this, yeah, this is the pedal from this machine. Now when I had the Vassetti wired up wrong and was being an idiot with it, I suspected that I had some bad pedals here, but I am going to connect these up anyway and try them out on full voltage and see if they work. Just because multimeters use such a low voltage that sometimes things test as bad, but at voltage they'll work, and in a situation like this where there's no electronics involved, you don't have to worry about getting clean power for anything. So any like weird problems with the electricity as it's jumping around don't particularly matter to the motor. So I'll just give it a shot and see. And if it works, great, and if it doesn't, I will just have to replace it like I thought I'd have to. And we'll see what happens when we get to actually testing this. Go. Alright, so that was the pedal side for that socket. And to keep this in order, we will grab our plug. These are numbered 1, 2, 3, and this was in 1 and 2. Oops, I dropped that. Which means that this needs to go into two and 3. Yep. 2 and 3. So Put those back in place, and then clip our tabs off here. And get our last cord that I cut off. Go. Slip the heat shrink right over it. And then swap tabs. And the other end of this needs a plug. Where did I set the two-prong plug? There it is. Get the nut in the nut side. And the screw in the screw side. It's tightening up, so squeeze it down. There we go. And now this needs to go back in the plug. So this came out of 1 and 3. And more importantly, when we open this up, we'll be able to see the spots that don't have contacts in them. Oh. Almost forgot to hit that shrink wrap. Okay. And then when we assemble this, I think, is it? Oh. Far okay, now see these dividers that make the top half of the case up. Those are the kickers we got to deal with here. So and you'll note I put the shrink-wrapped wires on the sides that are single contact, and then the wires I did not shrink wrap are both on the common here, because obviously since they both make the same contact, it doesn't matter if those two unshrinked wires touch. Go. We'll go and squeeze that because this is soft plastic. So while the screws here are going to hold it together once it's assembled, shouldn't be using those to torque anything down. So there we go. snugged up, and that should be the right way around. We will test it when we get to it. If I have it the wrong way around, then I believe that means the motor will just take off when I plug it in. So, alright, 2 rewires done, and now we'll have to get the associated machines out and start testing.